Hey guys, I'm sorry with the interruptions again tonight. um, yes, so we're gonna do a couple of things for tonight. Yes, um, I'm not telling my man. I'm not telling no one. I am hiding this from him, but he doesn't know it. And that is okay. And he is full on supportive person that I know and love. And he's very special to me and all that. We're all gonna fill up tonight. Yeah, we're gonna fill up everything. We're gonna do that tonight. And I might give you guys a tour a little bit of this video for tonight. Yes. Will you guys mind if let me use a little girl's room and then I'll be right back and we can get things done. Okay, I'll be right back. And you guys know I like to keep things real. Alright guys, I'm so sorry about that. I just couldn't hold it. I know, things happen, right? That's why I'm giving you the real thing here for the bathroom. Yeah, things do happen a lot. Oh, I feel better now. I'll say thank you. Thank you, Mother Nature. But yes. Let me fix this quick. The thing back here. Crap. Ugh. know what? I'm gonna get my receipts. Yeah. All right. Sorry about that. I had to get my receipts out and all that because I was gonna show you really fun things that I got today. Yeah. When we got interrupted, I know. Yeah, we got interrupted with this thing that we went to today. That I went today. So this thing is so pretty. I really love it. It's this phone grip that I got today. It's so pretty, right? Yeah, very pretty. I don't know I'm gonna put this yet. Somewhere. Yeah. I wish I could use this for the laptop. That'd be awesome. But yeah, this is what this thing provides with, you know, phone and tablets and all that, right? For that. Yeah. Yeah, for cell phones and tablets. But yeah. So it's really so pretty, right? Do you guys think that's really pretty? Yeah, I think it's so pretty for that. Yeah. I better tell you how much I got this. From today, of my shopping day. I know, I really like this. It's so cute. Let's see here. So it is a phone grip. It's really cool. It's $15. It was a perfect purchase. So yeah, and then well, with the tax included, it's also $16.05, and that is awesome. Really awesome. So yeah, so I do have a question for you guys, about something. You know, I love making videos for you guys. I do. I'm gonna ask you, if you please leave a comment. This is emergency thing for you guys. It is alert. But I do have a question, and it's from, you know, from my special guy. That's all I'm gonna say, that I know and love from childhood. But he's really awesome. But he thinks I need to stop making videos of, you know, of my content for you guys to enjoy, to watch my videos. I'm gonna ask you guys this. Do you guys think I should stop making videos, like, forever? You know, it's one of my favorite things, and I love it, and it's fun, right? I know it's fun making videos for you guys to enjoy, like in my bedroom, or out in public, or anything like that. You know, that's who I am. Yeah. Because I am from Spare, like Iowa. If you guys didn't know that, I live here. Yeah, and I love it. It's really the nicest place you guys will ever love. But yeah, I look skinny. Do you guys think I look skinny from here? Yeah, kind of looks like it. But I want you guys to comment. I want you guys to immediately comment if you can, if you want me to continue making videos for you guys, because it's all for you guys. Not about anyone judging people or judging me, whatever. I don't care what people think. But I want to ask you that I want to ask you guys to imagine, like, if I actually stop making videos and not making content for you guys. I know I'll be devastated. I will be, I'll be hurting and devastated. Yeah, and I can't do nothing. Right? So, yeah. But yeah, I know, right? But yeah, I've been working so hard in everything else that I do. I'm just letting be me. It's just gonna, I'm just gonna let be me. No one dare put me down. I know. That part just sucks. It does suck, but and it's really, really hard to of that. Yeah. And I'm not gonna share with you guys, once in a while. Okay? But not a whole lot of that. So let's get started for a little bit. For this video tonight. So we are gonna do a fill up again tonight. Yes, we're gonna fill up my Mountain Dew, the bottles and cans, and my not microwave. I don't know what I'm thinking microwave. I meant my fridge. I don't know what I'm thinking. I think I need another Mountain Dew. I think I need to. That'd be for supper tonight. Oh yeah. I'm funny looking, right? So let's like I said, we're gonna do the Mountain Dew. We're gonna do the Cheerios and also we're gonna do all the food things too with you guys too. I will also give you guys a tour in my room. I know my guy thinks I shouldn't make videos for you guys to enjoy. But you guys actually enjoy my videos, and I'm glad you guys are loving it. And let's get those numbers up if you can. If you cannot, I totally understand, and hopefully I'll make money. Hopefully, if that's possible, right? I'm not asking for much, but hopefully, I'm not asking for much, but at least it's just full of love, okay? Yeah, all right? Cool. I will definitely share the Mountain Dew here in a moment, but I'm just gonna share how much I paid of my Mountain Dew. Yeah. That's what I believe. Yep. No. That's not it. Here it is. I know, it's really hard to read with this. So I only paid $44 and $44.73. And that is awesome. It's really, really, I had to give one back, and that's okay. No big deal. I thought I had right on the money, and I almost did. So I did went over, but I had to give up one thing. So from of the Mountain Dew and a toothpaste and all that. Yeah. So yeah, I'll share that here in a moment. Yeah. If you guys didn't know, I am going to do my budgeting again, too. But I'm not doing that with you. That's going to be off camera. Yeah. So for the food, yeah, the food, it's mostly in my mini fridge. Yes, I got it right this time. Thank goodness. Yep, mostly in my mini fridge. Yes, I got that right. At least I didn't put it in my microwave. No. And one is out right now, that we're gonna use in a couple of minutes of the Cheerios too. So we only paid $21. Yep, we only paid $21.47. That's awesome. Totally awesome, guys. Yeah, from next week it's gonna be we'll be getting some more of the food, mostly on the food and all that. Yeah. I'm not gonna show you the display with you guys tonight, but I am gonna put it on my YouTube. Not YouTube. I meant, good Lord, I might put that on YouTube and Facebook, if that's possible. I might add the picture to it, if that's possible. I might add that on it with it, so I probably will definitely do that with you guys. Yeah, you get to see at the end of it. So, yeah, I've never done that, so I'm gonna try and do that. Some do that, so I've never done. So I will definitely do that. I'm just gonna tell you it's kind of different display I never done before. So it was on my bed. I did that way. It was something different I came up with, and it was just something different. All right, so let's give you guys a tour quick in my bedroom. Yes, I know I still have a mess. Yeah, at least it's not a big mess. At least it's a medium-sized mess, but it's a lot better. Yeah. Hopefully, I don't know when about next week, so yeah, right? So we'll see. And also we'll definitely get the supper out too for the layout of that. So yes, oh yeah. Okay, I want to show you something on this side over here. So I can't wait to show you. Sorry with the light over here, okay? Yeah, I guess I haven't shown you guys this for a while. Okay, so it is different on my little office / studio. Okay, are you guys ready? All right. It looks awesome. Of this is completely different. This is different over here, but over here is all the same. Yeah, over here is all the same, but only one is different. Yeah, it is amazing. And I do want to show you guys on the other side too, but let me get the bigger light just in case. Yeah. Am I so beautiful? I know I am, but yeah. So let's get over to the other side, and I might have to move one picture. Oh, yeah, one picture of my grandparents. I love my grandparents. Yeah. But this side over here, this thing here is different. It looks a lot different. This side is so this side is different, and the rest over here is all the same. And the mess. Yeah. So we did not do like that. I decided to do like that. So yes, and I will just put this on, and looks fabulous. And it looks really cute. Oh yeah. And they have a little pop of color on top of it too. So yeah, it's awesome. I love you guys. I totally love you guys. Totally love you. All right, let's get the big light. Because then I'm going to put it back over there. Right here. Actually, let's get started with the microwave. I'm sorry, my brain is thinking mini fridge. So let's get started of the filling things up, guys. Let's do it. I know, I kind of messed up. I'm sorry, guys. Please forgive me. I hope you forgive me. I hope you can. Alright, and I'll get the light too. I'll get the bigger light, and I'm going to put you guys down first. Okay, never heard that. You guys never heard that before. Alright, I'm going to put you guys... No. Okay. Okay. This way. There we go. That's kind of a good way for that. Put this over here quick. Okay, I'm gonna get the big light, guys. So, hear me out. Okay. I know, a different angle, right? I know, right? I'm crazy. I know, right? I know I have this thing down here, but I would take care of that later on. Alright, let's do this. Yes, I did get another milk too, by the way. So we got milk. We have only 2 bacons. We got more. We have more butter and all that, and also and more ham too. So I probably will get more ham next week. So that's gonna happen. Actually, you know what? Guess what we're doing right now? Yep. Just take care of that real quick. Yep. Okay, there we go. Alright. So we're gonna put the carrots up here, and then later on, after that, I'm gonna put some balls over here. Okay? I know, I love this angle. It's so different. So let's get started. Right? And it has to be this way only. Has to be. This would be a good idea to have for my future and all that. To have yeah, something like that. Okay. One more, and then for the can. Yeah. Yeah. And then, like, on the 2 ends, when we get these things in the middle, nice and cold, I'll take them out, and yeah. And then I do like that. So yeah. All right, let's do the balls. Yep. Ooh. Only 2, and yeah, only 2 because yeah. All right, I'm gonna put the same over here with the water. Yep, with the water. Yeah. I think we should put more water in. I think we should, for the safe side. Yeah. I think we should, just to have things stocked out. Yeah. Yeah, so I can. Alright, I'm glad we got that out. These things out quick. I'm glad we did that. Yep. I'm gonna put them in the back of this. So so these 2 can be in front to use up first. That's what I was thinking. So yeah. Yeah. If you guys didn't know, I always have water to take my pill in the mornings. Yeah, always in the mornings. Always water or milk. Yeah. For that. And I've been thinking about like some apple, some orange, and all that, and water. And actually, that's not a bad idea. But yeah, like I would say 4 of each, and yeah. Yeah. I think we should do that. Yeah. Then it'll be a lot better. Yeah. For at the moment, yeah. Put this on the side here. Yeah, only do 4, and then we can do 4 orange and 4 apple. Get it? Do you guys understand my concept here? Yeah. 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 Now it's all filled up. Yep, it's all filled up, and just two of these things need to come out. We fill them up, and then yeah, and it looks so darn good. It looks fabulous. Don't worry about in the micro. I meant in my mini fridge. Yes, I correct myself. Don't worry, I'll try and figure things out for the organization in my fridge. Okay? So I'll figure that out. Yeah. Anyway, pants are going down, guys. I know that's kind of funny, right? Yeah, kind of funny, right? Yeah. Ugh. Ugh. Good Lord, Abby. I know, right? I'm getting to that point that I'm gaining, of my age and all that. I know, right? I know pretty soon I need to start heading up here shortly. Yeah. I'm gonna do that. But yeah, you guys are awesome. So let's get my lunch. Well, let's do the other food ones quick. Just the food ones quick, like super quick, and get that done. Right? Let's do it. Yep. Let me put my grandparents there. All right. Yeah. Oh, come on. One more. There we go. We're good. Also, we got more of the granola bars. We had to go. I had to dig to get these out. Yeah. So let's do these. What you guys? So let's do that real quick. Let's do that here. Yep. Yeah. I know, right? I know this is kind of different with what we're doing tonight. Right? I think I'm gonna do the Cheerios off camera for tonight. Yeah, because then I can do my budgeting and all that. I know you guys haven't seen the fill up for once in a while, so yeah. One more time with this, and then yeah. We just want to get this thing done, guys. So trust me. I'm not gonna break these down just yet, but eventually I will. Yeah. Get these in here too. And now I'm gonna put these things back and yeah. Yeah, you guys know everything. Yep. I'm just gonna get the containers out for the Cheerios. Yeah. Yeah, do that. I'm just gonna move my wife over this way. Yep, okay. I'm just getting these things out so I won't forget to do them. Yeah, when I come back from paste band tonight. Yeah, sounds like we have paste band. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do that quick. I know, right? There. Let's get the. I will have Cheerios tonight. Again. Yeah. So I don't know yet. I just have a thought. I didn't think. Yeah. I know. Come here, guys. So I just have a thought in my mini fridge. Yeah. I just have a thought. I know I was gonna say 4 of my my water, but I totally forgot about my pineapple juice. Yeah, pineapple juice, orange, and apple. Yeah, those 3 I forgot to mention. Because I have well, this I'm gonna use first. Yeah, these things can come out. Yeah. So I have in mind, just I want you guys to visualize these things will be for the water, and then like I'm gonna let's get the other ones. Yeah. 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 Okay, good. I had to check on that first. Okay. I'm gonna get my I'm gonna do a test run of this, okay? Yeah. 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 I'm gonna do a test run of this. Alright, and I'll get the apple. Yep. Yep. I know you don't always see the apple over here, so for that, so yeah. Okay. I guess we're gonna do first the small ones. Yeah. The tall ones. It's gonna be like that. Like 2 of each. Yeah. Yeah. This one will come out, and then this one will go in the back. And it's gonna be different colors in here, so you guys get to see that. So this will go here, and then we'll do that, and same thing again, but we're gonna do apple. Yeah. 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 It's like different. Do you understand it now? Yeah. Well, actually, no, I can't do that one yet. Forgot the pineapple. But yeah. Let's do pineapple. 2 of the pineapple. Yeah. Because these are small. Yeah. then will be apple now. Yeah, apple. And then the orange. Yeah, and the orange here. But do you guys see the concept here? I was thinking that too. Yeah. And then we might do that. To put another water over there too. If that's possible, we're just gonna put in the middle there. Yeah. We're good, don't worry. We're good. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. At least I just put one there. And then kind of move this up a little bit. Yeah, right there. And that's okay. But that's fine. That's not a bad idea. Let's do that. Yeah. Actually, that's not a bad idea. Yeah. And that can be in the middle there, and so that's cool. Yeah. And then for the apples, can go more in the back. We can do that. And same thing with the pineapple too. Yeah. Yeah. I like that. Yep. This would be cool. I'm glad that I think of that. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. And we might add the another water too. Let's do that. Let's do the water first. Yeah. We can't do it on this side, so gotta do the pineapple. Yep. It looks really good. It's all filled up, so it looks a lot better. If I had more of these fat ones, I would definitely put more in. Yeah, I would. But I don't. So, yeah. So I'm glad I came up with that. Of that solution. That was my feet. Sorry about that. looks really good. Yeah, it looks awesome. I guess not. I guess we gotta do something. I guess we gotta do something different. Yeah. Darn it. That's an animal. That's sucky. Alright. I thought it would be fine. I guess we're gonna do 4 of each. Yeah. Darn it. Okay, I'm gonna do a different solution. Gonna find out here in a minute. I think we're just gonna do in the back of this and then come forward. Yeah. I think we're gonna do this. Mm-hmm. 4 of that. And then 4 of these big ones. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And then I think we're gonna add the pineapple this way. Yeah. Yeah, do 4 here too. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, that'd be fun. Then we can put that there. Switch that out. That there. Yeah. I know. Right? I'm gonna put the 2 apple here. And then we're gonna just put the pineapple all the way down. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's a good solution. Yeah. Yep. This, like, it's different. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This will be easy to take out. Mm-hmm. Let's see if it was shut. How about that? Nope. Nope, it won't. I guess we're just gonna do pineapple. I guess we're gonna do it on the side. I guess we're gonna just do 4. I'm gonna put the water in the middle. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Mm-hmm. 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 And then we're just gonna add one of the pineapples in. One of each. Here, I think that's a good idea. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I think that's a good idea. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-hmm. This. This. That. And there we go. Yeah. It looks a lot better. I like the other way better. This way. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. There we go. That looks a lot better. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see if we can shut this. Let me put these in here quick. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see if it will shut. What the heck on earth? Oh. Well, this could do here. Mm-hmm. I don't know. There. In the middle of that. I have no idea. Oh, that works. Alright. We can do that. Alright. That works. Okay, that works. Alright. Let's see with this. Okay, it's shut. Okay, that works perfectly. That took a while. Yeah. Yeah. Thank God. All right, let's get the supper out. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah. Let's do that quick, and I better head up. Yeah. Yeah, this thing, of course, up here. Flat, and then something else, and I think I'm gonna do rice tonight. Yeah. I need to go here soon. Yeah, but yeah, it's gonna be something with ham. Rice and ham tonight. Yeah, rice and ham, cereals, and something else. Yeah. Well, guys, thank you for watching. I'm sorry it took a long time with all that in there. I'm glad I got that solution taken care of. But I'm going to sign off, guys. I know I have done an hour time with you guys. I have to go, guys. I love ya. Have a wonderful night, guys. At least we got the the meal stuff out, so that's good. So I'm gonna sign off, guys. Bye, guys. So give me a thumbs up so I can make more videos for you guys, and a like, and comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.